Your belly fat is not your enemy, but it is slowing you down. And today, we're going to get rid of it. Not slowly, not someday. I mean fast, intense, and permanent. Forget endless cardio and hours on the treadmill. That's the biggest fitness lie. The 3 exercises I'm about to show you can burn more fat in just minutes than most people burn during an entire workout. They hit belly fat from every angle, trigger powerful fat-burning hormones, and turn your body into a fat-burning engine that keeps working long after training is over. Number 1. Jumping jacks. The movement you probably associate with school warm-ups may be one of the most effective weapons against belly fat. Just 10 minutes of fast-paced jumping jacks can burn as many calories as 30 minutes of jogging, while also improving mitochondrial density, meaning your body becomes better at burning fat even when resting. Most people mess this up by overcomplicating it. Keep the jumps light and controlled. Land softly. Maintain a steady rhythm. Arms move smoothly. Core stays tight. Chest stays lifted. Start with intervals. 30 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. Build gradually. Your coordination will improve. Your breathing will be challenged, and your belly fat will start disappearing. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Humans aren't just built to move for long periods. We're built for explosive effort. Mountain climbers tap directly into that powerful fat-burning system. A single high-intensity session can burn more body fat than traditional steady cardio in much less time. Research shows that explosive interval movements like this can lead to significantly greater fat loss than moderate-paced exercise. Get into a strong plank position. Hands under shoulders, core tight. Drive your knees toward your chest as fast as you can while maintaining control. If you're new, go for 15 to 20 seconds at about 80% effort. Rest, then repeat 4 to 6 rounds. Number 3. Burpees. The most hated exercise on the planet, and one of the most effective. Burpees force nearly every major muscle in your body to work at once. Drop down, kick back, push up, jump forward, explode up. Your heart rate spikes instantly, and your muscles never get a break. Do 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off for 8 rounds, just 4 minutes. Or extend the rounds if you want a real challenge. Burpees destroy belly fat while preserving muscle, helping you stay strong as the fat comes off. Here's the reality. Belly fat doesn't disappear with slow, comfortable cardio. It goes away through intensity, accuracy, and consistency. It disappears when you use movements that force your body to adapt, exercises that challenge your lungs, your muscles, and your discipline. Jumping jacks, mountain climbers, burpees. Master these and belly fat won't stand a chance. See you in the next video.